Hey besties, if you want to get this look from Beauty Forever Hair, make sure you stay tuned.
A little bit of lace spray on it, let it sit on my head with the edge band for about 40 minutes, and that is it. Let me show you guys, you can actually clip this hair up. Of course, this is how I'm gonna wear it. I like it down, I like it curly. But for the gym, for instance, you just twist it up, put it on top of your head like a little pineapple. And this is actually like really cute. I love this. This is fun. It's cute. It shows off the curls. Yeah, this is really cute. And then I also, for the gym, I like doing the half back. So kind of like a half up, half down, but just not pulled completely on top of your head. I just pull a portion of the hair back, and then I get my claw clip, and I like this. Cute, easy. Your hair is now out your face if you're trying to work out, or if you just want to do a style where your hair is out your face, and it looks really good. Super easy, really quick. But of course, this is how I'm gonna wear mine. I love just a middle part with the hair just big and curly. Even though I did put product in it, you guys can see it still kept a beautiful curl pattern. Look at that. Nice, juicy, shiny curls. I love the pops of brown. Just to give you guys a little bit of detail, this is their 13x4 frontal water curly unit. It's 24 inches. It has a drawstring. It has the bye-bye knots. And of course, it has the brown highlights in it. This wig is very snug and secure on my head, even though, like I told you guys, it is glueless. It is very snug on my hair because it does have the drawstring. It has the adjustable band on the inside. It has combs on the inside. It has the grip on the inside. So y'all, this wig isn't going anywhere. And it was really easy to put on. It was really easy to just clip it up, whatever you want to do to it. The lace is melted into my skin. This is just one of those easy breezy, really fast wigs from Beauty Forever. And you guys need this. You can't tell me this color doesn't look good, and you can't tell me this color is not gonna look good on y'all. And it was really quick. Put it on and go, and you're ready for the day. You look put together, you look cute. You guys need this wig. All of the information will be down below. The link straight to this unit down below. Also a coupon code. So you guys make sure you check out Beauty Forever Hair.